Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Tesla will not start with phone. And first we will remove the key that we have on our phone. By the way, this is the official Tesla manual. Okay, now before we even begin with this, just ensure your phone's Bluetooth is on and is strong. Just toggle it off and on. Close and reopen the Tesla app completely. And then this is what I want you to do. Okay, go ahead and go to your touchscreen. Go touch controls, go to locks, and here you should see the key that you like to delete and its associated trash can icon. Go ahead and click on that trash can icon. And then what I want you to do when you're prompted, scan and authenticate a key on the card reader to confirm the deletion. And when it's complete, the key no longer includes, the deleted key. The list will not include that. Then I need you to add the key on the mobile app. Okay? So what I want you to do is while you're inside or near the vehicle, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone, and there touch security and drivers, and then touch add key card. Just scan your new key card or key fob on the card reader located on either the wireless phone charger. And when the key is paired successfully, the mobile app will actually show a confirmation message. Then just touch done in the mobile app and you can remove the key card or key fob from the card reader. And after that, you should be able to use the key. That's all you have to do. Remove it and add it again. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.